Okay, so I'm just unplugging this now, and I'm gonna plug it back into the receptacle on this juice box. There we go, it's nice and secure. So I just finished charging my vehicle, and I've been using the JuiceBox now for about a week and a half. I like the product. It charges my car up in about an hour and a half to 2 hours because my car only has a 33-mile range. The one thing I don't like about it is the interface that's on my cell phone to start and stop it. The minute you plug this into your car, the timer starts. It doesn't tell you how long it took to charge the car. It just shows you how long it's been hooked up to the car. I've contacted the company about it, and I'd say I would much rather know how long it took to charge the car as opposed to how long it's been plugged into the car. But other than that, the app works really, really well. It goes on when it's supposed to, goes off when it's supposed to, and that works in conjunction with the timer that's actually on the car, because the car tells it when it wants to charge and between what times. So here in Arizona, we charge between 11 o'clock at night and 5 o'clock in the morning. So it's basically 6 hours. But when I go out to unplug this on my app, it will say maybe it's been plugged in for 11 hours or 12 hours. Anyway, that's my only actual complaint about the product. Otherwise, it charges my car great. It's nice to look at. The cord will just wind up on this just like this, so it doesn't sit on the floor. It's easy to deal with. It's a nice looking unit. Overall, I think it's good, but the software that's on the phone needs some help. Anyway, until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Chem Reviews saying, please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, hit that button down in the corner so that you'll subscribe and we can keep bringing you videos like this. Bye-bye.